everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel, The Terrace Kitchen. Today we'll see the recipe of Pavbhaji Khakhra. So it's a very low in oil recipe. I think you will love it and it tastes just like what we get in the market. If you like this recipe, do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Now let's take a look at the recipe.
Today we'll see how to make delicious and low in fat pav bhaji flavored khakra. So for that, take 2 cups of whole wheat flour or gehu ka atta in a bowl. Add 1/4 cup besan, 3 tablespoon pav bhaji masala, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder or haldi, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, and some salt to taste. Now grind 4 garlic cloves and 4 green chillies in mixer grinder jar and add that paste to the bowl. Now add 4 teaspoon oil, this is regular cooking oil. Mix this dough with your hand, mix this flour with your hand. Now we are going to make a dough out of it. The dough should be stiff, so add a little water at a time and make a stiff dough. Now at the end, add 1/4 teaspoon oil and knead the dough. Now cover this dough and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Now after 10-15 minutes, take out the dough and just knead it for a few more seconds. Take a small portion out of it, apply some plain gehu ka atta or wheat flour and roll this thin. So make sure you roll these khakras very nice and thin. So this is quite round, it's good, but I want to make my khakra look just like what we get in the market, so I'm using a dish and making it more round so that it has even edges. Now heat a tawa and put this roti or this khakra roti. Keep the flame between low to medium, and as soon as you see bubbles, flip the roti and use a cloth, a cotton cloth, and keep pressing this roti while you are cooking it. So you need to apply some pressure and keep pressing it and rolling it. This way all the bubbles will collapse, as in they'll stick together and the khakra will become nice crispy. So you need to do this on both the sides. This khakra is hot and is ready. I'm taking it out in a plate, and similarly you need to roast all the khakras. Making a khakra is time consuming, but all the efforts are completely worth. So I've made a few khakras. You can see these are very low in fat, but if you want you can apply a little more oil while roasting these khakras. But if you are diet conscious, you can make the khakras the way I have made. Do try this recipe at home. Let me know how did you like it. Enjoy! Look how crispy the khakra is. Yummy!